Let's talk about plural nouns. Why do we add s sometimes, but es other times? What about words like wolves or children? All seems so random, but it actually isn't random. I'm sharing 31 spelling rules for 31 days. This is day 21, rule number 21. To make a noun plural, add the ending s. Unless the word hisses or changes, then add es. Some nouns have no change or an irregular spelling. Okay, so let's break this down. Here are the ways that you can make a noun plural. The most common way is just to add s, so sun becoming suns. Add es if the word hisses. Say these sounds: ch, s, sh, zh, j, x, z. Notice that each of these sounds hisses as it ends. When a word ends in a sound that hisses, add the es to form the plural. You can also think about it this way. Try to add the s ending to watch and quiz. It doesn't work. That's why we add the vowel sound before the s. So it becomes watches, quizzes, and glasses. And some words change before adding es. When the root word changes to form the plural, add es. This is true for words where the y changes to I, and in some words where the f changes to v in the plural, like in thieves and knives. And some nouns don't change at all in the plural form. This can happen in two ways: count nouns and non-count nouns. So count nouns are nouns that you can count, but they keep the same form in the singular and in the plural. For example, you can say that you see 3 deer, but deer can mean one single deer. Deer can also mean 3 deer. So some count nouns keep the same form. You can tell if these are singular or plural by the associated adjective or the verb form. For example, 1 deer is eating versus many deer are eating. Next are non-count nouns. These are nouns that can't be counted, whether it's an idea or it's too numerous to count. So think about sugar, dust, heat, hair, and poetry. These nouns never take a plural form. You measure them with units instead, like a spoonful of sugar or a strand of hair. So when Rule 21 says that some nouns have no change when they change to plural, it means count nouns that keep the same form in plural and non-count nouns that don't even have a plural form. And last, we have irregular plural nouns. Some plural nouns reflect their original language or have multiple acceptable forms, like child becoming children in the plural, or curriculum having 2 acceptable spellings in the plural: curricula or curriculums. Rule 21 shows us there's a clear pattern to making nouns plural. Stay tuned for more spelling rules.